With the European Robotics Summit, we're trying to create a special place, mainly for CEOs and managing directors and other decision takers of the European robotics industry to come together and to deal with the strategic questions of the future.
I think the timing is very, very good because robotics is in the midst of the industrial revolution, the Industry 4.0. We read about service robotics, we read about big data, we hear more and more about Apple, we hear a lot about Silicon Valley.
We have a few inspiring talks, but it's mainly based on the idea that these people come together and share their knowledge and interact on a very high level and go out after the conference, the summit, with insights and more ideas about where the industry is going and what challenges need to be tackled in the future.
And it's no doubt, particularly in Silicon Valley, that robots are hot right now.
We can see the potential is big. China's robot density in 3C industry is about 11 sets per 10,000 people.
So cost efficiency means that we have to, out of my point of view, that we have to cut the costs for a robotic system by half. And on the other hand, we have to double the flexibility.
It's about responsibility. Big data is a good side and has also a bad side. There are challenges like security concepts. What are the data I would like to use, I would like to share?
I was very much impressed to meet here experts from all over the world, from China and from the Silicon Valley, and to get their insights in robotics.
Very inspiring place, very inspiring conference, very inspiring talks, and the talks are sharp and hitting the real subjects.
I think it's clear that we have slightly different strengths, and a gathering like this really helps bring out where we differ and have different strengths, and yet where we share a commonality with the same problems that we're facing and with the same steps forward that we see happening.
And timely. It's a time when robotics is seeing a lot of disruptions, a lot of opportunities.
I would like to have an event that has the same high-level discussion in the United States.
I found it quite interesting to meet some of the players in the market. Some of them are competitors, of course, in a very special surrounding here. Especially the networking possibilities have been quite interesting and I think also useful.
What are the industry needs? Also to see the different stakeholders from really complete different anchor points. So also from the European Commission, from Silicon Valley, from different customers we are directly already working with, to see that different perspective. I can't see it is only one highlight. It is the blend of the different impressions, which made it very special, and also the entire atmosphere here at the monastery. It is open collaboration and an historic environment.
Well, there are, of course, a lot of questions that are open, but I really liked also the format, which is a few questions where you can take the time to go deep into the question and to really then come up with good ideas to develop.
I think there has to be still much to establish the human-robot collaboration, especially in small and medium-sized companies. We know that the automotive industry is already using collaborative robots, but it is necessary to bring them in the small and medium-sized companies, and then this will open up a high potential on new robot installations in the coming years. This time, last year, we had more than 200,000 industrial robots installed in the world. I think in a few years it can be 300,000.
It was a great experience. So I really like the interaction and the insights into what are the needs of the robotics industry, what are the challenges, what are the future tasks of robotics industry. So it was very, very interesting. It was a great network and a great collaboration.
It has been very interesting for me. I mean, this is clearly an industry-driven summit, which is kind of missing in Europe. Most of the time is mixed with academia or only academia. We need both, of course, but this was the right one to face the real problems and challenges for robotics, being the growth in China, being the new emerging service robotics. So please do the same again.